Today we're going to replace the filter for the cabin air filter in a 2015 Honda Pilot. This is the enhanced filter, which is available, that includes charcoal filtering with baking soda to remove a lot more odors than their traditional filter. You would get the CA 1781. This is the 1781 with the M attached, which makes it have the extra qualities. So here we are on the passenger side of the car, and what we're going to do is open up so we can find the filter. First thing you do is open the glove compartment, and then to open the glove compartment, we're going to gently press in on the sides here, and if you'll look real carefully here on the side, there's a little notch, and what we're doing is pressing this out of the notch, and we're doing the same on the opposite side. Now it falls out, and if you look inside underneath, you're going to see where the filter compartment is. It's going to be a dark box. It's hard to see, but in there you will see that it has a tab on each side. This little tab presses in and releases the filter compartment so that you can replace the filter. Each one of these tabs just gently gets pressed in right there. So here I'm pressing on the tabs at the same time, in gently, not very hard, and you'll see that the whole drawer slides out. What you're going to see now is your cabin air filter. As you can see, this one's not too bad, but certainly it's got some soiling and it's got a lot of leaves on it. If you haven't changed yours in a while, it may look a whole lot worse than this. So here you can see that the filter is a little dirty, not real bad. If you look on the edge there, you can tell when I changed it last. So this was changed April 15th of 2018, and today is May 20th of 2019, so it's been a little over a year. And you can see it's really not all that bad, but if you start looking in the middle, look what you find. This may be a little overdue for replacement, actually. And this is just a regular replacement filter that we're looking at. This is the OEM equivalent. You can see there's actually more dirt there than you would have realized. So here we're going to open the box with the replacement filter. Again, this is the enhanced filter that also has carbon charcoal in it, and as well as baking soda. We're hoping that'll just kind of make the cabin a little fresher. Don't really know how that works. Well, I kind of have an idea how it works. Don't really know if it's going to help. Stinky bodies and all that kind of thing. So as you can tell, I'm going to go ahead and write today's date on it. I do this with everything I do in the house, so it kind of lets me know whether or not I've been overdue. It also lets me check on things from time to time, so I can kind of tell whether things are due or not. It's a good habit to get in. We found out that there's actually an airflow indicator right here, right next to my writing. So yes, this should be this way. We're going to place it in the filter. I'm going to shake out all the little leaves that are still in it. And actually it has little ridges there to catch the edges of the filter to kind of create a seal. So you do actually want the little extra edges going down, and you want to make sure they kind of get lined up with the sealing edges on the sides. So now we have the cartridge ready to go back into the car. We're going to go ahead and press this back into the box. If you look up inside the dash, you'll see that there's a rectangular compartment. And if you look up in there, you can see the fan. We're going to go ahead and press this in very gently into the box. It should not be forced. It slides in very easily, and then you should hear a little double click when we press it in. There it was. So we've just put the cartridge in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to return the glove box to where it was. Right here you can see this flexible segment of the glove box, and the same is on the opposite side. Right here, a little flexible segment. We push them in gently as we lift the glove box up, and now the glove box supports itself. We close the glove box and we're done. So just to go over what we did today, we replaced the cabin air filter on a 2015 Honda. This is the old filter. You can see it's a little dirty. I've seen a lot worse. And we replaced it with enhanced filter that also has charcoal and baking soda, which we hope will improve the air quality in the car. The car's got good air quality anyway, but maybe this will make a difference. We don't really know. Let you know about that in another video. I want to thank my son Adam for helping me do this video. He was the cameraman, and we'll see you on the next 2015 Honda Pilot replacement. Bye-bye.